Hi, I'm Chris, I'm here with Milwaukee. Today we're looking at the professional range of Milwaukee cordless hedge trimmers. If you're searching for more power, greater reach and smarter ergonomics without the hassle of petrol, this is for you. We'll cover the most frequently searched questions and show how these tools deliver for outdoor professionals. Milwaukee has expanded its hedge trimmer range models with the next generation manoeuvrable mid-size versions right through to extended reach trimmers for working in challenging conditions. So why go cordless? Petrol hedge trimmers bring fumes, noise, vibration and constant maintenance. Cordless hedge trimmers remove those problems. No fumes, no pull cords, no fuel mixing. Less downtime and no storing petrol on site. Cordless also makes a huge difference in residential areas, schools, hospitals where noise is a concern. Lower vibration means less fatigue, better long-term comfort, and with zero emissions, the working environment is safer for you and everyone around you. For tackling thick, established hedges, cutting power is essential. This is especially important on the first cut of the season, when large amounts of material need to be removed. The M18, FHE, TE22 and 27 cover most site hedging tasks with ease and give you the benefit of additional reach. Whereas the M18, FHE, TE60G2 and 75G2 are built for heavy-duty applications such as grounds maintenance. So, what's the thickest branch these trimmers can cut? Up to 32mm on the mid-size models and up to 25mm on the extended reach options. And it doesn't stop there. Depending on the material, these hedge trimmers can even cut thicker branches, thanks to peak power of more than 1 kilowatt. That extra performance is ideal when you need to clear back older, denser growth. What makes these trimmers so powerful? All 4 trimmers use Milwaukee's exclusive Power State brushless motor. It delivers constant torque, fast blade speed and reliable performance, ensuring clean, efficient cuts on every pass. Reach is critical when you're dealing with tall and wide hedges. The M18 FHE TE27 offers the longest reach in the range at 267 centimetres. That means you can stay safely on the ground and still trim the very top of large hedges. The M18 FHE TE22 is the lightest extended reach option. It's the best choice for overhead or repetitive work where weight really matters. Extended models also give you the advantage of staying out of reach of thorns or skin irritating hedges and help you manoeuvre around obstacles. For a versatile all-round solution, the M18 FHE TG2 provides excellent weight distribution with a clean and precise cut. It's available in both 60 and 75 centimetre blade length. So, which model is best for really tall hedges? That's the FHE TE27. Designed specifically for maximum reach with balance and control. And which trimmer is the lightest for long sessions? That's the FHE TE22, the most compact and easy to handle in the extended range. Every trimmer also includes rotating handle with 5 positions. This allows you to instantly adjust your grip for the perfect angle, making longer applications much more comfortable. This feature was also added to the extended trimmers, so ergonomics are maximised even when you're reaching into awkward areas. Milwaukee hedge trimmers are designed to be fast, simple and frustration-free. The FHE TE models feature a 270-degree articulating head with 13 working positions and 1 storage position. In the storage position, the trigger is disabled so that the blades can't start accidentally. That flexibility means you can trim comfortably at almost any angle. How do you rotate the handle for different cuts? On the M18, FHE, TG62 and 75G2, you pull the lever under the trigger. On the M18, FHE, TE22 and 27, you use the thumb switch on the rear handle. And what if the blades get jammed? Every trimmer includes a jam clear reverse function. Simply release and re-pull the trigger and the blades free themselves instantly. All models use double-sided, dual-sharpened blades. They produce a cleaner finish, which promotes healthier regrowth. Pro tip: always clean your blades after use. It helps maintain performance and prevents the spread of diseases across hedges. Blade maintenance is the key to consistent performance and longer tool life. Always keep the blades lubricated for smooth cutting and reduce wear. I'd recommend doing this before and after each use. Can you sharpen the blades yourself? Yes, routine sharpening keeps them cutting cleanly. For sharpening, I use the Milwaukee M12 subcompact rotary tool. For the best results, follow the angle of the cutting edge as you sharpen, and when the time comes, the blades are fully replaceable, so there's no downtime and no compromise in performance. Cordless hedge trimmers are all about productivity. No petrol, no fumes, and no downtime. How long will the battery last with an M18 red lithium Forge 8 Ah battery? The M18, FHE, TE22 and 27 deliver up to 50 minutes of continuous runtime. The M18, FHE, T60G2 and 75G2 provide up to 60 minutes per charge. Rotate the batteries throughout the day and you'll have more than enough runtime to cover a full working day. Instant startup and quiet operation also makes these trimmers ideal for residential or noise sensitive areas. So, is cordless really as good as petrol? Yes. You get consistent power, less noise and zero emissions, all with heavy duty cutting performance. That's the Milwaukee hedge trimmer range. If you'd like more information, drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and keep an eye out for more Milwaukee tool content coming soon.